All right, everyone. This Skoda Fabia has been one of my daily drivers for the past 9 years now. I bought the car new back in 2014, and since then it has collected more than 120,000 kilometers. And till this day, the car still has its original front brakes on. And yes, not just the brake discs, the brake pads too. And today's the day that my Skoda will get a new set of front brakes. Here you can see the condition of the brakes yourself. So probably they don't look too bad considering their age and their mileage. However, they certainly need replacement. So you can see here, this is definitely on the limit. Fortunately, I have the new stuff right here. Alright, so we get a little interrupted by bad weather. The actual workspace is in the dry. However, let's wait till the rain is over. Damn it, that's wild! It's hailing! Hooray, hooray! It's hailing. It's hailing a lot. Very well, the rain is almost over, and since this was a massive thunderstorm, everything here under the roof got wet too. I must say I'm not particularly happy with that, because all the tools, the workplace, everything got wet. I wasn't prepared for that, I have to say. It means a lot of extra work for me, however, the work has to go on. Now look at that difference between old and new. Very well. The driver side is complete now. What I thought would become a super easy job turned out quite complicated though, because of the unstable weather. However, the work is done and the other side works just exactly the same way. I hope you enjoyed the video though. Keep checking back and don't forget to like and subscribe.